Miles on the beat, man. Can that fuck boy catch
So
up?
you niggas really want that T-up, yeah? Doing all this dissing but won't leak up, yeah. Stop that fucking dodging, time to see us, yeah. When it's time to drill, they fucking freeze up, yeah. So you niggas really want that T-up, yeah? Jojo World gon' tell the fucking streets up, yeah. Time to see up, yeah. When it's time to drill, they fucking freeze up, yeah.
OC snap better acknowledge it. We got niggas, they staring astonishing. Fuck clicking up, don't need no partnership. One time pull up, shoot like so y'all can bitch, y'all be getting paid. I be getting laid. After that hoes, they be dishing out compliments. I just be riding, I just be rolling. Boy, I keep glizzies on me, I be told. Shoot that bitch once and I'll leave your ass over. Red beam on that beans, that shit get me focused. Niggas be talking about shit they ain't on. Pull up my block, no my niggas ain't going.
Fuck your homie in the clique you play. I never said shit when the police came. The clock far from, we don't play them games. We the real, no locking in the real. Right around the city, I be switching them lanes. I be getting to the money, give a fuck about the fame. Been the same nigga everywhere I go. I ain't never been scared to walk alone my pole. Remember back then, posted up with JoJo, and he had a 9 on him while I had the 4-0. Been BDK since 10 years old, and I lost our key, man, this world so cold.
Janitor, night vision on the scope like I'm Predator. We stay strapped up, strapped like a wrestler. I'm like tarantulas, blow up to Canada. Niggas different, not the person, the camera. In the road, we do niggas off banisters. Stroking your bitch, you don't know how to handle her. Do it for squad like I'm Captain America. We bagging niggas like a grocer. Bitch, I'm 069 till it's over. They gon' let us in the game, or we gon' beat that bitch with the controller.
When it's time to drill and I'm freezing up. Pop a nigga dream about it and my team is up. We be beamer duck, what the dream about? 3 or 4 sticks riding in a beamer truck. That's a boss move. Couple bands on your head, now they miss you. Lean dean, dress a pussy nigga hot true. Hit a nigga, get away, that's a squad move. 40 with a 30 nigga know how squad do. I can't see without my eyes, don't squad rules. And we all got codes, cause we all shoot. If ain't nobody got my back, I bet squad do. And you know I'm gon' move when a squad move.
Niggas claim that they hit us every time they see killer niggas bring up that used to be cool shit. I slap the Steve Drive and let bullets fly, turn Washington Park to a pulpit. And niggas want war with me. Last time I checked, we up 3. Ask Chino, ask LA, ask that strapped up nigga new ski. 600 breeze, better be easy for I reunite his ass to little speed. Old block kept this a JoJo, so I went and pissed on the grave of OD. Just cause we stopped putting posing videos don't mean that we ran out of guns. Hit a nigga block with the beams out, make a nigga scream out, run. Chest off the bro in the count. Got Rondo sleeping on the bunk. See they bitch ass PC. And D-Rose keep getting jumped.
So you niggas really want that T-up, yeah? Jojo World gon' tell the fucking streets up, yeah? Stop that fucking dodging, time to see us, yeah? When it's time to drill, they fucking freeze up, yeah?
I came a long way, I ain't even gon' front. Started from the back, worked my way to the front. Jumped off the porch when I was 13. I had the 4-4, Devin had the knee. Now I'm ballin' little bitch, I deserve me a ring. The shit that I did, it belong in a dream. Niggas say they drillin' need to quit that, cause they ain't with